Yes, welcome back to our channel, Speed and Sound Motors Garage. Today I'm having a Honda Forza mf08. Some people call it also Honda Forza EX. It had a problem of showing number F, and then it couldn't change the gears in time. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel as I take you through, as we diagnose together and look for the problem and see how we can rectify it. Subscribe to the channel. Let us get started. Now, as we turn on the switch, we are seeing number F here, which shows failure of the gear system, and the D is not staying on, the D and S. So as I start the bike, so as you've seen in the video, this driving pulley is not operated, it's not changing the gears, meaning this ratio motor is not controlled. Since it is showing off, what we are going to first do, we are going to check the position of this of the drive pulley sensor. It is over here. Let us remove its bolt, then we check it. Now, first of all, we are going to first check for the fuse or the ratio motor, which is over here. We are going to check its continuity with our wiring tester. Then, as you can see, it is having power on both of the lines. Then we are going to come here and check for the power that comes on this red line. This one, it is having also power, as you can see. So let us go ahead and remove this sensor, and then we'll see if it is in the right position. So now, let's check the position of the sensor. As you can see it is not in the right position as it should be. As you can see, as you look at this pointer here, it is in transverse direction, which should be in like this. It should be in straight line with these lines here, but it is in the wrong direction. So what we are going to do is we are going to remove it, then we put in the where it should be, then the power on the bike. We see if we have the gears back. As you're watching, please subscribe to the channel. So as you're seeing, this actuator was like this, which should be positioned like this, in diagonal, in middle of this, between in these lines, in the middle of these lines, here and here and here and here. So now we are going to put it in the right direction, how it should be. Then we put on the bike, and then we see if we have the gears back. And let me put our sensor here. Subscribe to the channel for more repair videos. So I put back this the sensor. Now she plug on the socket, then we power on the bike, then we see. So we have put back the sensor, but still we don't have the letter D here. So let us perform Honda initialization. We have put the sensor in its original position, but still we don't have the gears back. Now what we are going to do, we are going to perform Honda initialization procedure, so that we can restore the gears and do a system reset on the powertrain control module. So subscribe to the channel. I've put the video in the description for the initialization process of Honda Forza mf08. Let us continue with the video. So now we're going to perform as you can see, gear is restored, the drive. So let us start the bike. After performing the Honda initialization process and after positioning the sensor in the right position, we have seen now we have recovered our gear system, because before it was ending around 30 kilometers per hour. Now you can see it's around 120 kilometers per hour. So subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, share, like. I sign out.